By watching this video, you are deemed to have agreed to subscribe to AK Roy's YouTube channel.
Press the bell icon. Terms and conditions apply.
So good morning everyone. Today is the second last day of our internship.
Second day of my internship.
She has a second day of her first internship. Vivek has more 1 week remaining. But today we are all going to DLSA for some reasons. And the sitting arrangement in auto is a different bit today. Always I sit above Gatsby, today she is sitting. So we are going till Jali Machine. We have a boy Arun Jaijeev, the Army General. The person who haven't shared the internship diary to us. And I don't know what extra stamp we will get from DLSA, so that he's not sending us, so that we could copy it out. And like we are heading up to now. Let me show you nicely. We are not as perfect, but just we are making it as a form of remembrance. Actual internship as we did this time. So let's see you in the other process of time. Bye.
Bye bye.
Now we are walking towards the bus stand. And the bus stand is so far, I don't know, in this whole highway like road we are just walking from the morning. And we are preparing a documentary here.
What's up, people? I don't know what to eat now.
Your voice will not reach the voice of this mic also.
That's a common sentiment.
Say closely if you want to say. No, she will not say anything. That's
My
good.
energy gone.
We had lassis of Nandini. The gulab jamun was aha. The gulab jamun tasted very well. I'm thinking to eat the gulab jamun once again. When I come tomorrow, I will surely.
To eat gulab jamun.
How was the gulab jamun?
It was really good.
How was the lassi?
It was okay.
The lassi was worst, man. Because the lassi we had in Udupi,
Was the best.
it's costly. It's 70 rupees, but it tastes so good, so soothing. Yeah, very expensive taste we had.
Then I'll also sell one lassi inside.
You sell lassi, nice. We were in City Civil Court. Now we are going to the Mayo Hall Magistrate Court. We have left one boy R in the prison of the City Civil Court, and we are taking some tunnel or what. I didn't know. I told them to go directly. It's so short. But this girl wants to take the tunnel.
Yes.
So come, we are taking the tunnel. There the fox is walking very fast. And my legs are paining a lot here. See, if someone comes at night, very dangerous place.
You are not taking your photo towards talking. This underpass
What?
has better furnishing than our classroom.
No, actually I love my classroom. Actually classes of cracks maybe cracks would be there, but mine is very perfect.
Oh, isn't it your classroom at the time it was broken?
Yeah, even I had only broken it by jumping.
How did you got broken?
It was already broken a bit. In the morning I was in hurry to my bench.
Somebody's telling because of continuity.
And it's not like it was already broken at first. Then someone walked in, jumped at it, it got broken by its own. Here police are waiting for us. Okay guys, we have reached the Court of Small Causes, the City Civil Court of Bangalore.
Hi.
Everyone is here. Let me provide a brief introduction. We want that person also to be in the vlog, but that's not possible. So first let's have a small introduction about the day today. We ran whole big level for the canteen purpose and eating food. Then we
Because
decided.
Amritanshu said that he knew where the canteen is. He did not.
No, I saw the canteen. I came from there, but that was closed. The reason is why. So I just came back to sit with them. And I actually Clarin got a good cake, so we had just that.
Trust me with food.
Yeah. Then we have Ashwini here.
Upcoming
She has
judge.
lost her from her life. The intensive days for her was a death period notice for her. So now we have the most innocent boy, Vivek Gatsby, but the most haramiest person I have ever been with. Then we have
Army General.
Army General Jajeev,
Sorry, sir.
the person of fox and the husky nature of hairs.
You know what we
Until now, the person didn't want to come in the vlog. We are trying to, yeah, please.
when we couldn't like see where you, two of you went. I was like, I can't see Amritanshri's blue bag.
Yeah. The bag. The most best bag I
Identification.
took at least. The best bag is 2 months to choose.
Like he will always be spotted wherever.
Yeah, this bag. See his eyes. His eyes are roaming everywhere where good advocates are there, or good-looking advocates are there. So I'm working here at the Mayo Hall, and my friend and buddy, internship buddy, I'm handing over my phone to him. So we are back with the same issues. We have so many files on the desk to be maintained. Here this is nothing. We have more than that, all 3 computers, 1 printer, and the place we work in. And the days goes as hectic as which could not be said. Let me set an angle where we both are visible. Yeah. So we have this file to complete to make a summary report of an file summons. Then this big bundle is waiting for us. And the best part is, today is the second last day, tomorrow is the last day, and I will be signing off from this auspicious, perfect office and the best table of mine I would have never thought I will be getting up to. And this system. See these files? A lot of fun. I did all of them. Can you imagine that? So we'll be over and out, and we'll meet you in the next session when all the peoples of all the other civil codes and the departments will be coming together, and we will be boarding BMTC and the brand ambassadors of BMTC. And I have the pass, let me show you the daily pass. Is it not zooming? Yeah, maybe not my shoes. Now we have completed our 5:30 tenure of work, and now we will be heading up to home, the BMTC ambassador bus of non-AC. And there is, as if possible, you could see, and so this camera will not able to zoom.
This is not iPhone.
There
guys.
would be 2 people. There would be 2 people. Let me state. Where are my fingers? Wait. These my finger is able to. These 2 people are taking geotag photos here. Unnecessary requirement getting fulfilled, and we are just waiting for them for the BMTC requirement. This much swaggy photos are not required. Not a fashion walk, but we will not say them. Otherwise, it will backfire us. So let's go to our pace. The phone credit goes to him, a good quality camera, and the member of AOC, very rectified and certified member.
Thank you.
I am just the member of Moot Court Committee.
Most powerful committee in our college itself, huh?
Yeah, you know. Now this is MG Road Street. The street where you find the beauty, also the place where you find the beast and the good cars also.